Hello there. Welcome back to Grade 11 Business Studies. In this video, we want to look at a match test, and we are going to look at section A on this question paper, which is we're going to start on the multiple choice section. So the question reads: various options are given as possible answers to the following questions. The alphabet that corresponds to it next to the number. So you give a question, and the business is limited control over. We've got A, the employee competitors. According to the expert control. So that's macro environment. The business has no control. So this one automatically becomes out. And then full control of this environment. You look at competitors, you see that that's where the business has got limited control. So function C is the correct response in form of ownership. You have unlimited liability. We have the partnership. Then we go to the next part of the question, which is the production manager of XYZ clothing lacks adequate management skills. This challenge emanates from the Danish environment. You would see that the environment that we have there that is in relation to adequate management skills is obviously an internal environment, which is described with micro environment. Then we have micro at A. So our correct answer is A. 1.1.4, an employee who has been unfairly dismissed can report his or her dispute with CCMA. This is in line with, we know that this is in line with the Labor Relations Act, and we have Labor Relations Act and D. Labor Relations Act is the legislation that governs the rights and obligations of employees, and you see that this is within the context of South Africa. So basically, the Labor Relations Act describes that. So we've got D as the correct response that we have. Then 1.1.5 data, we've got responses that we are given. We've got formal, tertiary, public, and primary. So you'll see that this becomes primary sector. Remember, the primary sector, the explanation in terms of the primary sector is an industry. It involves industries that are involved in the extraction and production of raw materials. So if you look at a mine, it is involved in the extraction of minerals. Obviously, it becomes the primary sector. So we have D as the correct response that we have. Then we go to the next section that we have, which is 1.2. And 1.2 reads, choose the description in column B to make the table in column A. Write only the letter A to J next to the question numbers. That is from 1.2.1 to 1.2.5. And then we have column A and column B. So we are going to look at the explanation that is matching the term that we are given in column A. So we've got a major, which is the first one. But a major, we've got when we're having a major, we've got two firms that are combining, joining together so that they operate as one. So we try to see according to the responses that we are given. So if you go to C, the combination of two or more businesses of similar size into one business. So C comes the correct response that we have. So we are seeing C. Then secondly, we've got a prospectus, and we try to see again according to the explanation that we are getting in column B. But we know that the prospectus, if you go to I, it's a legal document giving details and investment offerings to the public. So basically, that's what we have, and we've got I being the correct response. Then we've got trade unions. You know that trade unions is a union that looks after obviously the rights of the employees, so that they protect the employees. So basically, they protect the employees through negotiations with the owners of businesses or the employer. So basically, let's try to see in column B within that context what do we have. So if you go to E, represent the interests of workers in the workplace. So basically, we have E. That is the correct response that we have. Then we go to companies and intellectual property commission, but you know that's where I will try to see again which explanation do we have, which basis that we have got. We go to G. G is saying responsible for registering company. So obviously we have our G. Then royalty. We'll try to see again royalty. You know that is a payment that is obviously made when we are having royalties. So if you go to A, payment made to the legal owner of the patent or a copyrighted work or franchise. So basically we have our A as our correct response. So this is the last section that we have according to our section A on this March question paper. So let's stay tuned for more videos to come. Let's not forget to subscribe and share to our channel. Let's share the link to our colleagues who are doing grade 11 business studies. More typical examination questions will be uploaded on this channel. So let's stay tuned. As for this video, I'm signing out. Let's meet again in the next video.